Say hi, Marty.
Hi, Marty.
Back with Marty here, doing the oil change in his 4C. And you know, I've done a lot of oil change videos doing the oil extractor, but Marty's got a nice set of these quick jacks here. And that makes getting the belly pan off like really easy. So I think we're going to do a belly pan drop to do the oil change. So you ready to get started, Marty?
Oh boy, yes.
All right, so the first thing we're going to do is just loosen your oil cap there.
Okay.
You don't have to take it all the way off just yet, but just loosen it just so we have some air can get in through the top. Yeah, that ought to be good. This is what we're going to be taking off, the aluminum pan down here, and it's got a whole bunch of Torx. They're T30 Torx screws on it. I can't remember exactly how many there are. I think there's like 14 of them or something. It's a lot. Yeah, so I love that little ratchet. It's fantastic. It's gonna make quick work. So I mean, if you want, you can start on these right here.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, you got 4 across there. Okay, so you got those 4 on the back. Kind of right above your head is 2 more. I'm just saying how much I love the electric ratchet, but you know, sometimes it doesn't fit into the tight spaces. But where it does fit, it definitely makes quick work of things. There'll be a link for it down in the description below. We have like 2 on the outer side, but you might want to wait till the end to do those just because you're probably going to have to get out from under the car to do it. Because it's all the way on like the outside there. You see them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like a little bit further back, you got
these 4. I'm going to use this for this one.
It's a little tight with the quick jacks, huh? The variable speed is nice, right?
That is great.
Yeah. There we go. We're nice and loose now. Yeah. Yeah, you get it off the lip on the front, but you need to come just a little bit more like forward, try to get it off the back lip. It's kind of hitting like the control arm right here, but it's not gonna hurt anything. Definitely comes down. You just have to like maneuver it just right.
Yeah.
Maybe see if you can slide it back this way towards the back of the car, and then try to slide it more forward, like up that way. All right, there you go. Moment of triumph. Yeah, you just have to wiggle it till you get it. Yeah, so your oil drain plug is right there, and as you can see, it's kind of like right over subframe brace right there, and it just makes a huge mess. Yeah. So what we're gonna try and do, this is like a
little chute for it.
Yeah, a little forma funnel, so you can tuck it up there, and kind of like go it out more like to the side, because the oil is gonna like shoot out that way anyway, and you can just like bend this into like whatever shape you want. Huh. I will say the nice thing about the drain bolt is that you don't have to take it all the way out, at least not initially, because it has some little holes in it. So we can loosen it until it starts to flow, and then hopefully we won't make like too huge of a mess. It's tight, huh?
It's on there.
That's strange.
Because we didn't take this off last time.
No, no. So I mean, you did buy the car used, so someone probably changed the oil before. Whoa! Don't round it off. That's a 13 millimeter, by the way. I don't know if I said that earlier.
13.
Yeah. Good grief! Whoever did that last did you a disservice. Of course, that was like previous owner, right?
Previous owner.
Yeah, because last time we used the oil extractor. Man, that was stupid. Had to use this to get some extra leverage on the freaking handle of the bolt there. I mean, it should not be that tight. So you see how it's already dripping oil? Like, let's not take it all the way out. Like, you can probably remove the wrench now, and there you go. And then like just back it out just a little bit until it starts to flow. There you go. Yeah.
Nice.
And see, like the funnel is catching it, and it's not making a huge mess.
Yeah, it's not getting all over me.
Right. But yeah, like when we pull that bolt out, you'll see like there's little holes around it that like help it drain, so it doesn't, you know. Yeah. If you take it all the way out, the oil will actually like shoot out over this way.
The tire,
yeah. Well, maybe not to the tire, but it'll definitely get on your quick jacks and like your control arm and stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
So I mean, this is a little bit slower, but it's the only way to not make a mess.
Yeah, I'm all good. I'm good with that. Well, here you can see underneath here, the funnel, we have it formed to fit over the strut, and then it comes down and dripping into the tub. filling up pretty good.
Yeah, like these little Forma funnels are pretty neat. I'll have a link for it down in the description below. It helps not make a mess on things.
Yeah, I like that. I haven't seen that before.
Screw this out just a little bit more, get a little bit more flow to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy how tight this thing was. These things are only supposed to be put on with like 15 foot-pounds. I mean, that's not even anything. That's just snug, essentially.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I love that like you don't have to take the bolt all the way out for it to drain too. It's like they really did think of a lot of things on this car.
That's a nice feature.
So there you go. You can see the holes that I was talking about. Like the little bolt is hollow, and it's got those holes in it that let you drain out the oil without taking it all the way out. But yeah, but once it kind of like gets to towards the end, you can take it the rest of the way off and get all your oil. But yeah, the dang socket is stuck because it was on there too tight. The dang bolt was too tight. Ridiculous. All right, you definitely want to make sure you always replace this little washer here. And of course, I got a whole kit of these things, but I believe it's like the size 18 is what fits. So I'll have a link for this down in the description below. You don't have to buy a whole kit, but obviously you can just buy one. In fact, I'd say if you actually buy an oil filter from me, I'll just throw one of these guys in for free. But yeah, there you go. There you go. So there's your bolt. Or plug, I should say. I keep calling it a bolt. It's a plug. Thread her in there hand tight for the moment.
Righty tighty.
And like I was saying, it should only be like 15 foot-pounds. So
yeah,
I mean, you're probably about there. Like
15 foot-pounds.
I didn't bring a torque wrench. We don't really need to, but
that's probably about it. You can double check.
I'm well calibrated, so like a heck of a lot less than it was. Yeah, that's good.
All right.
That was probably actually more like 20 or 25, but definitely wasn't the freaking 80 foot-pounds that it was. Stupid. Yeah, so the oil filter is nice and easy to get to.
Yeah.
Just reach right up and do that.
Yeah, and I'll back out so I'm not right under it.
Yeah, also the problem with it is like whenever you undo that, it's definitely gonna spill oil everywhere.
Yeah.
So what I like to do is like take a rag, put over the top of your CV axle there.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of push it up like so it's towards like the front of the oil filter, you know, where it screws onto the engine.
Yeah.
That way it catches as much as the drips as possible. Used one of those before, right?
Yeah.
It's a little fiddly using the oil filter wrench, just because there's not a whole lot of room to work with on there. I have used like the oil filter sockets on these things before, but those are also, they're all just kind of ill-fitting. Like nothing fits it perfectly. But yeah, like so kind of scoot it up like a little bit more towards the top, and then like whenever like you pull it down to tighten, it should tighten up.
Oh, I'm getting it, I think. I saw it turn a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, I see it turning.
Yeah.
There you go. Just about got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's coming.
Nice.
I think I might be able to get it by hand now.
Yeah, exactly. Like whenever you pull it down out of there, like try to hold it so that the open end is like facing up.
So it doesn't pour out.
Yeah, because it's going to pour out, yeah. In fact, here, I'll grab it from you. We'll set it down over here, and we'll dump the rest of it out in just a second. So unfortunately, since the filter sits sideways, we can't fill the filter all the way up with oil. I do like to put a little fresh oil in it, but we can give it like a half pour, and also just a little bit for the seal. You always want to lube your seal.
Never forget to lube the seal.
You ready for the filter?
I'm ready.
All right, keep it facing up again, because I did put a little bit of oil in there.
Yeah.
Just spin her on. Pretty self-explanatory, right?
Do we just do this by hand, or?
Yeah, so what I recommend is like wiping your gloves off, so like you don't have any oil on your gloves.
Yeah.
So your hands will be nice and grippy, and then just giving it a good manhandle and like torquing that thing by hand as much as you can. You don't really have to be. There you go. Just a little bit more. All right, perfect.
Woo!
Yeah. So what do you think about putting this this tray in?
What do I think about this?
Yeah.
I'd like to meet the guy that designed it.
Yeah, it's like we had to like get a screwdriver in there. I should have filmed that, but like just a little bit of like a little like boop to pop the thing in, because it's like it's just 2 millimeters too long to slide in. But, you know, just got to wiggle it till you get it.
I think I'm ready to put screws in.
So yeah, let's just get all of these like in a few turns, like by hand.
Yeah.
Because I don't think you want to start tightening these down.
No.
Because this thing definitely is like kind of floppy and moves around, so you're going to need a little bit of wiggle room to probably get all of them lined up with their holes. I don't think it matters too much like where you start. The electric ratchet there, since that thing has like a nice variable speed trigger to it, just do it gently. That way you don't slam the bolts in, you know.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to strip those things out. But that thing has like a nice like speed control on it, so yeah, just like that. There you go. That should be good enough. Like these things aren't really supposed to be super tight.
Yeah.
Now you gotta tap it and say it's not going anywhere.
Ain't going nowhere. How'd I do?
Yeah, you did good. Yeah, that was awesome, man. We still gotta put the oil in it. Oh, it looks like it's full.
Yeah,
See
it's
it?
wet.
Yeah. So it's full. Okay.
Yeah, good.
Cool, good deal. So 5 did it. And since I didn't even know, I think I might have messed up the recording, but we put a Pennzoil Platinum Euro in it. And this is what Alfa recommends, but other oils work too, like Motul and Amsoil. Now you just have to pop the cover back on, and then you're done.
Yay!
Well, so this is your first time doing it on the 4C yourself, right?
Yeah.
What do you think of it? Was it okay? A little bit of a chore?
It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. There was, you know, that bottom cover.
Right.
The pan.
Yeah, the belly pan, yeah.
The pan. Yeah. That was kind of a pain, but
Right.
you know, it wasn't terrible.
Right, yeah. Man, that's slick.
And we are locked in.
I gotta get me some of those.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.